Ladies and gentlemen, next we present to you a special walkthrough video of the much anticipated new Secretariat project. This project represents a new chapter in governance with state-of-the-art facilities designed to enhance administrative efficiency and service delivery. Please enjoy the walkthrough.
The design for the new Secretariat and Directorate complex for the state of Meghalaya is a unique confluence of the state's cultural identity and its futuristic vision to emerge as a benchmark for sustainable development. This new complex is set to foster the image of the new aspiring Meghalaya to the country and the world. The campus is planned in the new Shillong city, spread over an area of 53 acres, bringing together the various offices of the state administrative machinery in a compact and integrated development. Conceived as two clusters connected by an experiential pedestrian bridge, the design for the new Secretariat and Directorate complex not only represents an architectural excellence, but also symbolizes the development vision of the state deeply rooted in its people and culture. Both the Secretariat and Directorate are strategically positioned to seamlessly integrate with the breathtaking natural beauty of Meghalaya. The design of these buildings has been conceived with a high degree of public interface, while also prioritizing security and safety that shall enrich the public interface. The project envisaged a vision of harmony in nature, where compactness connects, context resonates, and monumentality inspires with context. This building is more than just
architects present to be present at the plant site for the unveiling of the foundation stone.
Gente Hills, and we're so excited to meet the people from Gente Hills, experience the culture out there, share some stories of Garo Hills with them. And I think if there's any one thought that I would like to leave all of you behind with, especially on a day like this, is that at the end of the day, all these government programs, all these buildings will mean nothing if in our hearts, if in our minds, we don't believe that we are Meghalayans. I think to 15,000 crores of investments, 5,000 crores from the government itself, and another 10,000 crores from private sector to be invested in this zone to completely transform Shillong city as we know. And that is the larger vision and the larger goal. And for that, the government must play an active and an important role. It has to act as a catalyst to ensure that we are able to take this dream of ours forward. This Secretariat